Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice Rekha Aduge easy guide. Begin by preparing cooled cooked rice and chopping vegetables. Heat a large pan, add oil and sauté aromatics until fragrant. Push ingredients to the side, scramble eggs or fry tofu, then combine with rice. Add measured soy sauce and seasonings, toss evenly, and finish with a quick high-heat sear for texture and flavor. Start by prepping everything to ensure a smooth cook. Mise en place is key. Use day-old rice or cool, freshly cooked rice to avoid sogginess. Chop vegetables into similar sizes so they cook evenly and mix well with rice. Measure sauces like soy sauce and sesame oil to control saltiness. Keep proteins like chicken or shrimp ready to add at the right time for optimal tenderness and flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading while you wait for rice to rest. It's great for recipe collections and kitchen timers. Check the description for the link and other deals related to what you saw here. Thanks for helping the channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. Heat the wok or large skillet until very hot before adding oil to prevent sticking and achieve that desirable sear. Cook aromatics first, then add harder vegetables, followed by proteins, and finally the rice to ensure proper texture. Push items to the side to scramble eggs or finish proteins, then combine with the rice. Add sauces incrementally, toss quickly on high heat, and garnish before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.